In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your blog HTML in HubSpot. Whether you're tweaking designs, adding tracking codes, or simply doing some troubleshooting, knowing how to access and edit your blog's HTML is an important skill. Let's go through these steps together, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user interface. Head over to the user guide section. This is your starting point. Once you're there, I'd like you to locate the settings. You should find a gear icon or a similar settings indicator somewhere on the interface. Don't worry, it's usually easy to spot. Click on it to move forward. This will bring you to a place where you can adjust various settings for your site. Now, in the settings menu, look for the blog option. It's typically listed alongside other options related to your HubSpot configuration. Once you've found it, go ahead and give it a click. This section is dedicated to all things related to your blog, offering a suite of options designed for customization and management. With the blog section open, your next step is to find templates. Templates are crucial as they determine how your blog appears to your audience. Click on the Templates option, and this will take you to the area where you can actually edit the HTML of your blog. Once you're in the Templates section, you'll see a list of editable parts of your blog's HTML. Start by clicking on the header HTML. This section typically contains code related to the top portion of your blog, including any navigation menus or branding you might have. If you're making changes to the header, be sure to keep a backup of the original HTML in case you need to revert back. After examining or editing the header HTML, find the option for the blog post header HTML. This is specifically for the HTML that applies to individual blog posts, allowing you to set parameters or make changes that affect how each post is displayed. Again, be cautious when editing this section, as any changes you make will apply to all of your blog posts. Finally, you can access the footer HTML. The footer is typically where you'll find information like contact details, privacy notices, and other secondary navigation options that appear at the bottom of your blog pages. Click on Footer HTML to see or make changes to this section. And that's it! You've now successfully navigated through your HubSpot settings to check your blog HTML. Remember, it's always good practice to double-check your changes and ensure that everything looks and functions properly before finalizing. HubSpot offers a powerful platform for managing your content, and being familiar with your HTML can empower you to make the most of it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!